Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1970 Dodge Charger. This is a true RT, guys. Beautiful car. It's finished, this is a factory color combination. It's Hemi orange with the black vinyl interior. Again, true RT, good looking car. And if you guys are hunting for Chargers, you know these cars are very tough for us to get our hands on. Good solid straight body. Looks like it's got the original quarters, original trunk pan in it. It's a body up restoration. Car was actually originally out of California. Matter of fact, we have the 1977 California pink slip in the trunk there. We've got some receipts for the resto, some pictures. The paint on the car is actually older, and then mechanically it was gone through in 2013. A good looking car, again, true RT. It's got aluminum headed 440 motor in it. It's not the matching numbers motor, but it is a 1970 date coated engine. It's got new front and rear bumpers. Pretty paint. There's a couple of little spots you can kind of nitpick on the paint. Again, it's an older paint. You see a couple little splits as you walk around the car in the paint. Yeah, sorry guys. Good looking car. It's got the black tail stripe. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got the rally wheels with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Again, new rear bumper. I'll tell you guys, these Chargers are tough for me to get my hands on, man. I think this is the most popular car there is. You just don't see them. Again, it's a date code correct 70 440 cubic inch engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got the Edelbrock package on it, so it's got the carb Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got the Edelbrock camshaft in it with Edelbrock aluminum heads, power steering, power brakes, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. You can see the MSD box. It's also got the Pro Billet distributor. Yeah, I took a picture of it. Sorry, the sun's kind of halfway there. But it's the original EV2 Hemi orange. A-pillar chrome's actually pretty nice. You can kind of see a little wear to it. It's got the original mirror. Stainless is nice. Door handles have, yeah, let's get a little patina to it. Here's your door tag. It's got the factory black vinyl interior, new carpet, new sill plates. Sorry guys. Something about that, you can kind of see it where there's shade and then there's sun. The camera's just not wanting to focus. Bucket seats, console. It's got the tough wheel in it. 66,199. That is supposed to be the original miles on it. It's got the rally dash with the tach and gauges, AM radio. We're gonna have to check the tach. Jay and I both thought when we bought this car the doggone tach was working, and it's not working. So try to take a peek at it, see what if we can find something come loose or something. You know what? I forgot there's just a little crack. There's a crack there in the paint. Not trying to pick the car apart, man, but we send these cars all over the country, all over the world. So I'll try to show you everything that I know of. There's the pictures of when the car was painted. There's the original, like I said, California registration from 1977. There's receipts on the resto there. Again, the car's got the factory quarters still on it. Looks like it's got the original trunk pan still. It's body color in here. It's got it's a Flowmaster dual exhaust, 8 3/4 with a 323 sure grip rear end. Seats are nice, they've definitely been redone. Steering wheel's nice. It's got an aftermarket oil pressure gauge there. Factory console. I'd say those are original door handles. Good running 440. It's good looking body style, man. Again, tach is not moving. Speedo works and everything though, right, Jay?
Yep.
All the other gauges are working.
Even temp down there.
Yeah, he's got, oh, I'm sorry, that was a temp down there?
Yeah, that one's working too.
Okay, but they both work. I'm sorry, I said oil pressure gauge. It's a temp gauge down there. I know that sun's right behind us, a little tough to see. Backup lights work. Nothing on the radio. Blower motor? No, no on the blower motor either, guys. We got a little right turn signal out on this side. We can check that one. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. We got a brand new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a good looking car, true RT, guys. Okay, guys.